Today we are making Eggs Benedict. Well, my version of Eggs Benedict. So what you're gonna need is mayo, mustard, some kind of bread. I'm using French bread today, eggs, obviously, and some kind of cheese. Because my bread is frozen, I have to put it in the toaster. Next, make sure that your pan is nice and warm. Ooh, feels good. And then get a clump of butter and slice and drop. Next, you're gonna wanna crack your eggs. This is sort of what they should look like in the pan. Maybe, touch them up a little bit and fold them like I did here. You're also gonna need salt and a little bit of pepper. Adding pepper. Oh shoot. Make sure to grab a plate. Don't forget it at the beginning, if you can. Grab said toast that's been on here in. Next is mayo, mustard, and the cheese. Add your mustard, it kinda came out weird. Next, take a spoon and get some mayo. Bloop, boop. This is what your eggs should look like when they're all done. Turn off the heat and get them all. Slide the egg onto said stuff. And egg number 2. Ooh. And that's it, folks. That is how I make Eggs Benedict. It's a little bit messy, but it's nice. For dessert, cinnamon toast crunch. Woohoo. All right, cooking's finished. Time to eat. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.